Hello everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'll be helping you learn how to delete your Snapchat account. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. In order to delete your Snapchat account, you won't be able to find the delete option on your application, so you'll need to go and open your web browser. Once you open your web browser, search for delete Snapchat account and you'll be able to see from the search result that there is a link that says delete my account, and if you tap on that link, you'll end up in the Snapchat support page. In this page, there is a clear description on how you can delete your Snapchat account. In order to do so, you'll need to go to Accounts Portal, tap on Accounts Portal right here, and then you'll need to log into your Snapchat account. Enter your username or your email associated with your account and move on to the next field and type in your password. Once you do that, tap on Log In, and once you log in, you'll reach to this page. From the options displayed, tap on Delete My Account, and you'll need to go ahead and enter your password one more time in order to delete your account. Take note that once you delete your account, your friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. After 30 days of deletion, your account will be deleted. If you wish to reactivate your account during the process, you'll need to log into your account before 30 days starting from today. Go ahead and type in your password in the text field and finally tap on Continue. And with this, your Snapchat account has been deactivated. After 30 days, your account will be fully deactivated permanently, so if you want to reactivate it before that happens, you can simply log into your Snapchat. That is how you can easily delete your Snapchat account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.